What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today, I'm gonna show you how to test the pH of your soil. pH is the measurement of how acidic or how alkaline something is. I know your next question is, why is the pH of your soil important? The pH of your soil is important because your plants will not be able to uptake nutrients if the pH is too acidic or too alkaline. Testing the pH of your soil helps you decide what to plant for that area. Example, blueberries and orchids love super acidic soil, but walnut and pecan trees don't. So testing your soil's pH can help you figure out if you need to raise or lower your soil's pH. Two different ways you can do that is using garden lime to raise your pH and using soil acidifier to lower your soil's pH. So if you tried to grow blueberries before and they didn't do good, it's probably because your soil pH wasn't acidic. And that's why a lot of people probably fail at growing blueberries. I feel like when you buy blueberries, they should come with instructions because they're not easy to grow unless you have acidic soil. Hydrangeas turn blue in acidic soil and pink in neutral soil. So when we first planted our hydrangeas, it was pink. But after we added a lot of compost and coffee grounds, the flowers turned blue. So today we're going to be testing the soil around our hydrangeas. And if you're wondering what our soil is, this is just red clay mixed with compost. Today we're going to be using a rapid test soil kit to test our soil pH. You can also test the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels with this as well. But today we're only going to be testing our pH. So as you can see right here, says filled with soil, so we only need a little soil. And then you see down here it says 4.5. That's what you want your pH to be if you're growing blueberries. Very acidic. All we have to do is take some of our soil and we want to fill it to that line. That looks perfect. Now we're going to take one of our green capsules and we're going to pour it in here. We're going to open this up. Pour it in there just like this. Perfect. Now we have to do, it also came with this, so we can fill it up with water. So we're gonna take this and fill it to this line right here. Perfect. Now all we have to do is put this back on top, shake it up, and let it sit for a minute. It's looking like our pH is 4.5 to 5.0, which is exactly why our hydrangeas were blue and purple. Check it out, you see? And this is exactly what you want to see if you're trying to grow blueberries. Because if you don't see this, you won't see any blueberries.